Woohoo! I told you guys, I'm so good. Like I'm so good, guys. Look at that. Look at the massive spike. So we had like we've have like I'll call it $18 each position. Look at that. Good day, traders. So I want to show you guys how to catch spikes on boom and crash. Okay, so it's very simple to catch spikes on boom and crash. Now look at this. I'm waiting for market to touch this line for me to buy. All right, see this black line. I'm waiting for market. This is a very simple strategy. Okay, very simple strategy. All right, so I'm waiting for market to touch this line. What is this line? It's my key support, my psychological level on the chart. Right, that's my key support right there. All right, you see why is it my key support? We have market reversing around that level 1, 2, 3, 4 times or more. Okay, and it has been selling for a very long time. You can see over an hour plus. This is where 1 hour closed. Over an hour plus, it has been selling down without a single spike. So it's gonna spike pretty soon. So what I will do now will be I want to open 3 positions. So open 1 position right there. All right, so you see one position from my 1 position to where I'm actually targeting to buy, that will be -$6. So once it gets to that point, if it does not spike, I'll open 1 more position. Then it goes below this level, then I'll open 1 more position while my SL somewhere here, all right, at $20 loss. Okay, so I'll be opening 3 positions. Those 3 positions should be minus like at most $40, okay, to make more. If it goes my direction, I might be targeting this level, which is $60 profit first target, and up to this point, and probably up to this level depending on the movement. If it does not consolidate, then I'll be taking profit somewhere here, which is about $200 something each position. Okay, so that's the target now. So now you can see we are in a downtrend, but it looks like we have a change of character. We have a different structure altogether. Okay, so I believe markets will be going up from that point. Okay, I don't want to go deeply into explaining almost everything here, because if you check my previous, just go back and check all my videos, I've been explaining this thing over and over. So this is what's going to happen in the market. You see, once market gets to that point, it will be a thunderous spike. There will be a very big massive spike, and it will spike more than 1 time. Okay, when it spike, it might drop 2 more ticks, but after that there should be more spikes because it has gone far for a very long time. Now look at this. Indicator will never tell you this. Indicator will tell you to keep buying, and you keep buying and keep holding and be expecting market to spike, and it does not spike. That's why everybody needs to know price action. It's very simple. If you can combine your price action knowledge with your indicator, you are like an AI. Do you understand? So you need to learn price action. It's very important. It's very important. So let's expect the spike, and if it does not spike, just like I told you, I have my strategy. I have my trading plan. If it does not spike as expected, then we'll be out. Right? We'll be out for real. Okay, so we also have VIX 10-1S that is running. We hope to take profit somewhere up here. I'm not afraid, right? We hope to take profit somewhere up here. That's our first target up there. Then we have second target above it as well, somewhere here, our second target. Okay, I've given the signal to my VIP, and they are in already. You can see we are in a very little profit. So and if 15 minutes time frame close really beautiful, close very beautiful. So I believe it should be buying from there. B1000. I really hope to make some money on B1000. Let me talk to my people, my students. Oh, okay. So currency, we are in Euro USD on currency, Euro USD. I'm expecting market to sell. You can see let me show you guys my TP. You can see my TP down here. This is my TP down to this point. I'm expecting market to sell, which I believe it to sell. That's why I've not moved my SL in case you want to go back to my entry, but it's definitely gonna sell down to this level. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let me show you guys my team, my academy. Okay, so this is my team. We are expecting to buy B1000 down around that level. Okay, let me tell them. All right, very close to that level. Very close to that level. 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay, 25 should drop. I hope it drops. Okay, so very close to that zone. I'll be opening another position right there. Very close to the zone. We have like 4 more ticks before that level. 4 more ticks before that level. Okay, so I'll play this video again when we have the spike. Okay, just hold on. Woohoo! I told you guys, I'm so good. Like, I'm so good, guys. Look at that. Look at the massive spike. So you can see we have like $18 for each entry. You can see from here, this one here about $18, and this one right here about $12. All right, so I told you guys it's gonna spike, and it's gonna spike really, really great. So that's simple. That's how to catch spikes on Boom. I told you guys always watch my video to the end to learn, to know how to go about catching spikes. I know I drop mostly Boom and crash videos, strategies, and they are really helpful. You can see now market might start buying from that zone because that's what I'm actually waiting for, since it might start buying from that level. Okay, so let's just hope this. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see how this candlestick gonna close. It might give another spike before closing. It might give us another spike before closing. All right, so let's just see. We have 3 minutes left before 30 minutes candlestick closes. So let's see what's gonna happen there, guys. I'm not closing out right now. There's no need to even move my SL because I won't even allow it to get to my entry at all. All right, I won't even allow it to get to my entry, guys. Yeah, look at that. So I'm expecting one more spike to complete. All right, I'm waiting for one more spike, guys, to close that current 30 minutes candlestick bullish as a bullish candlestick. Then with a very massive rejection, that would be a good one for us, right? That would be a good one for us, guys. Let me talk to my guys. Really hope for one more spike, guys. Really hope for one more spike. Just one more spike, guys. One more spike. No matter how short it is, like just one more spike. One more spike. So you see, that's simple, very simple to catch spikes on Boom and crash. Just wait for those level markets to get to those key levels on your chart. I'll not say it happens always, but if your analysis is right, all right, if your analysis is right, it will happen often. You win most of your trades if your analysis is right, trust me. So the thing is just simple. You know how much you're willing to risk. So if you open around there, if it does not spike, just set your SL to hit your SL and close with whatever amount you expected to, just in case it doesn't go well, you give out to the markets, right? The amount you risk. So all you need to do is just set your SL. Okay, you want to risk $20, $30, $40, $50 depending on your equity. Put your SL right there. If it does not spike and then gets to your SL level, let it hit and close. Because beautiful, I told you guys, this is my job. This is my job. I told you guys, when it spikes, it's gonna spike more than one time. Okay, more than one time. Look at that. Last spike just confirmed the buy. Market's gonna keep buying like this for a long time. This is a strong bullish market now. The measure is so good. Peace out. So I'll be giving this signal to my VIP guys. Let's eat, guys. Woo! You can see my academy. I had to give my academy first because they are my family. They're just like my family. I don't play with them. All right. You can see now we are making good money, bro. We're making good money live and direct. I don't know what 10-1 is doing. Still dancing around my entry. I don't trust this guy. I don't trust this guy. This guy wanna play me. This guy wanna play me. I don't play. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. Look at that. Just little spike to confirm that candlestick bullish, to confirm the bullish move. All right. So please, if you find this video helpful, or just smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, share with other people to watch and learn and also make money alongside. Okay, and check the description of this video to join my free Telegram channel. If you want to chat me up directly, fine. I give out some services, provide signals, high probability signals, okay, daily, okay, 3 to 6 signals daily, high probability signals only. Then academy, mentorship, you can see my platform there. That's last month's batch, which I'm expecting new batch to come in pretty soon. Then account management, if you have, depending on the amount you have, all right, accounts management is up to, guys. So yeah, let's make money together.